What is a computer worm? A computer worm is a type of malware that is capable of self-replication and spreading itself to other computers on a network. It is typically more dangerous than a virus because it can spread to other computers on a network without any user action. The first computer worm was created in 1988 by Robert Tappan Morris, a graduate student at Cornell University. The worm spread quickly and caused significant damage to government and university networks. It was designed as an experiment to measure the size of the Internet. The Federal Bureau of Investigation quickly launched an investigation into the worm and its creator. Robert Tappan Morris was eventually charged with violating the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act and was sentenced to 3 years of probation, 400 hours of community service, and a fine of $10,050. The government also worked with the computer industry and academic community to develop better security measures to prevent future worms and other types of malware. This included the formation of the Computer Emergency Response Team and the creation of incident response teams to quickly identify and respond to computer security incidents.